right, Hill Climb 2 Racing fans. Hill Climb Racing 2 fans? Yeah, something like that. I don't know why I said that wrong the first time. Anyways, we're here for the Desert Mile boss race with Champ. So let's go give Champ a little run for his money here. And here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're gonna trade out the winter wheels for the boost on fuel boost. So let's try that. And it is a mile, or which is 999 meters. And let's see what we can do here. Already not looking that great. It's a long ways to keep her all together here, guys. Turn the roof a little. Fuel boost. A couple hundred meters to go. Try and get up here. I'm going to drop down. And we beat him. All right. Well, that was kind of intense. Now, did he crash or where's he at? There he comes. All right. So we beat him good. I guess, all right. Well, that's good to see. So that's what you call beating the champ at the Desert Mile. Good racing. And thanks for coming along. Ooh, we're going to get some stuff here. We're hitting the 40,000 level here. So there's 12,000 in coins. And boss level complete. So, all right. Thanks for racing with me. Subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. I need the help on getting my YouTube numbers, to improve. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming along for the race.